The heart is always searching. Can you ever find a home? I've been looking for that someone. I'll never make it on my own. Dreams can't take the place of loving you. There's gotta be a million reasons why it's true. When you look me in the eyes, tell me that you love me, everything's alright. When you're right here by my side, when you look me in the eyes, I catch a glimpse of heaven, and I find my paradise. When you look me in the eyes.
Hello, good morning. Eto na naman po tayo sa ating travel adventure. At this time kasama ko po yung mga kaibigan ko from La Union. At gusto nilang makita itong Daang Katutubo, kaya sinamahan ko sila. So time check natin is 10:57 AM. So tirik na tirik ang araw. Gusto nilang masilayan ang kagandahan ng ating tanawin dito sa Aguilar, Pangasinan.
Every single day, and every word you say, every game you play, every night you stay, I'll be watching you. And oh, can't you see, you belong to me, and how my poor heart aches every step you take, every move you make, and every vow you break, every smile you fake, every claim you stake, I've been watching you. Oh yeah, since you've gone I've been lost without a trace. I dream the night I can only see your face. I look around but it's you I can't replace. I feel so cold and I long for your embrace. But keep crying, baby, baby, please. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah.
Yan, kadarating namin. Andito na naman si Kuya. Kami na naman nag-meet. Pangalan niyo, sir?
Ninyo, sir, Ninyo.
Si Sir Nino. Sila yung lagi kong nakikita dito. Ano tayo na nagpumunta ko dito. At saka si na Sir Vincent. Tsaka si Sir Ison, the best. Tsaka si Sir Jason. Sir Patrick. Ano po yung lagi kong natapos ko dito. Every time na pumupunta sa babog.
Kaya nagpalit ko dito si sir.
Oh, saka apat na. Yung gabi medyo delikado yun eh. Hindi ko na ulitin yun pagka wala akong kasamang tour guide. Mabait sila. First time namin makarating dito. First time. Pag Beach dito sa may part ng Sual, Pangasinan. To be specific, dito sa may Baybay Norte. As you can see guys, time check is already 1:12. At ganito ang makikita ninyong scenery po dito. Ito po yung tinatawag nilang Little Batanes ng Pangasinan, yung Pagpag Beach.
Ano po, Philip.
Philip, Sir Philip, taga saan po?
Taga Dagupan po.
Dagupan, Panggalatok Mananaya. So, si Sir, sino Sir? Ano po pangalan ni Sir?
Philip po yan.
Si Sir Philip, tsaka si Sir Kim. Si Sir Kim, si Sir Rohel. Ayan, may binigay silang pagkain, guys. Thank you. Thank you sa kanila. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Short na kami sa paper plate.
Nako, it's okay. Nako, malaking tulong na to. Nako, ang sarap nito.
Sir, salamat.
Ayun, guys, oh. Ayan. Thank you po. The best talaga, the best. Thank you po. Bigay si na sir, oh. Wow. Ang sarap.